Why can it be hard to start your lawnmower in the springtime? Well, the ethanol in modern E10 petrol can over winter absorb an amount of atmospheric water. This collects at the bottom of the fuel tank and in the float chamber. Before attempting to start the engine and maybe getting water into the combustion chamber, it's best to drain off all the contaminated fuel. There is a 10mm AF quarter turn drain plug on the base of the carburettor. Unfortunately, Hayter have mounted the engine close to the mower's body, so there's no possibility of an Allen key getting in there. The only solution is to remove the carburettor. To avoid having to do that, I made a slim tool by welding a 10mm AF bolt to a strip of steel.